Last challenge. It consisted in managing an anonymous self-registered user. It was necessary to simulate the flow of marking one or more items as favorites, and since the anonymous user property had to be selected, when registering in the application, those favorites would be associated with the user and would not be lost. Once the session was closed, the favorites had to be cleared from the application, because the GUID would change. As stated in the instructions, for this challenge a mobile application was available with items and the option to mark them as favorites, as well as to register and log in with a user account. Once the additional requirements for the challenge are fulfilled, let's start to implement it. To do what's asked for, it's enough to activate the anonymous self-registered user property. As mentioned in the theory session, this property is available for mobile objects that are main when the enable built-in security property is set to true. In this case, the main object that we have to locate is runners, and there, activate the property. That's it. Now let's see it running. Once the application is started, we can see the GUID that we have associated through the Profile tab. We'll save it to check later that it changes when we log out. We mark a product as a favorite and confirm it. We create a user and check that the favorite is associated with our account. Now that we've seen the favorite in our account, we log out. We can also verify that the favorite was created correctly through the application website with the object www.userProductsFavorites. Here we can see that the pair exists with our GUID and product identifier. Going back to the application, we see that the favorites are no longer there and the GUID has changed. If we log in with the user created, the favorite appears again. This is the end of the challenge.